Okay, hi. Welcome to this tutorial on HTML. My name is Paul Chadwick, and today we're going to start off with the very basics of HTML. What is it? Let's get going with it. Okay, basically, right now, I would recommend that you open up Notepad or Notepad++, or just a simple text editor like Notepad. Very simple. And you could even use Word, but why not keep it simple? Okay, so here I've got just simple Notepad open, blank document, and we're going to do all our HTML here. Now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What does that mean? Well, basically, it's a language, and it's basically just made up of a bunch of tags, and this is what a tag is. Tag. Now this isn't an official tag that I'm aware of. Whereas tag. What I've got here is I've got the start of my tag and the end of the tag, and anything in here would be affected by whatever command that is, and you'll see as we go along what I mean by that. But for now, those tags, they're also called elements, but tag is a little bit simpler. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of different tags for this. And well, let's just open up this. We'll first start off with a very simple HTML document. Now, as of 2013, HTML5 is the new current standard. And so now with HTML5, each HTML document or web page, an HTML document is called a web page, very simply. It starts off with our left angle bracket right here. That's what we'll call that, left angle bracket. An exclamation mark, because we're doing something here, and in all bold levels is doc type, DOCTYPE, all in capitals, space, the humble HTML in lowercase, and right angle bracket. Now that says once we notify that to Windows that this is, the browser recognizes this as an HTML document, and it'll treat it as such using the appropriate commands, etc. And then again, to start off the HTML, we do again another tag. So we got a left angle bracket, HTML, right angle bracket. And then after that, so now we've officially started it. Now at the end of the document, we're going to have, just like the HTML above, but it's going to have an ending. It's going to have the appropriate ending tag, ML. Now, we don't need it for the first one because that's just announcing to the browser, and this is just kind of, a good practice, if you will, to put it all inside that HTML. It helps the browser also to see where the end is. Now, okay. Now the next piece of information is we're going to notify that this is the body, and within the body is where all the information will go. And it will also have a ending tag somewhere, BODY, and now I'm going to show you another tag called the heading tag. This is the H1 tag, and so we'll say first web page. Then our ending tag for that, / you got it, H1, and right angle bracket. Okay, now I'm going to show you something else here. This is called the paragraph tag. Okay. My first paragraph. And again, I'm ending it with the paragraph tag. You'll see. Okay. And as you noticed, so we've got each tag has a beginning and an end, even here for the body, beginning and end, and this HTML document itself here, beginning and end, our heading, beginning and end, paragraph, beginning and end. So it kind of shows that, okay, all of this from here to here is HTML document. From here to here, we have, oh wait, and then in between that we have from here to here is body. That's going to be our content of the web page, the body of it. And between H1 and H1, it's a heading, which different headings have different types of emphasis. So like the top of the web page is the main heading. So that's what H1 is for. Very important. Paragraph I've also showed. This is another important, as you're writing the content for it, is it. So now let's go ahead and save it. So what we'll do is we'll save it as web page dot HTML. Okay. Now what I'll do is voila. Oops. And that's what we got here. So hopefully you have something very similar. And that's opened up with Chrome. So give it a go yourself. Tell me what you think.